Hey, good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this May the 19th, 2013. A few shots from the Skycam network this afternoon. And here's a look from Greenville. You can see the clouds mixing in with the sun at times. Some blue sky in there as well, but just to the south and west, seeing some showers moving up through Lenoir County and Wayne County this afternoon, but overall, most of eastern North Carolina has stayed dry today. I think we start to continue to see that increase in moisture as we head through the afternoon hours and into the evening. It's going to bring us better chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms over the next several hours. And here's the view from Onslow Memorial Hospital down in Jacksonville along Western Boulevard. We'll call it partly cloudy down there. They haven't really seen that much in the way of rainfall today or really even yesterday. They saw a few downpours yesterday and maybe one or two in northwestern portions of Onslow County earlier today, but that's about it. Jacksonville's been fairly free and clear when it comes to the rain this past couple of days, but I think that dry stretch will end as we head into tonight and going into tomorrow as well. Here's the water vapor imagery and the vorticity at 500 millibars for this afternoon, and still got that sheared out upper level low basically moving over the western Piedmont today. And what that's allowing is for more uplift for our storms today. We're seeing basically a little band of showers and thunderstorms making their way up through South Carolina and into the Sand Hills and into the eastern Piedmont today, and that's going to eventually rotate into the coastal plain as we head through the afternoon hours. And that's what's been happening for our southwestern counties out towards Duplin and Wayne counties. You guys have seen a fair amount of showers and thunderstorms over the past several hours, now sneaking up into Lenoir County and eventually Greene and Pitt, and I think through the afternoon we'll continue to see that trend. Big time upper level disturbance back over to the west. This is where the severe weather is going to be today through say South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, all the way down through Oklahoma, western Missouri, and also into northwest Arkansas. So definitely some nasty stuff out there. Had a couple of tornadoes yesterday in Kansas and Oklahoma. Thankfully, we're not going to be dealing with anything like that across eastern North Carolina here in the next couple of days. All right, model fans, we're on to the 4-kilometer NAM output for today, 12Z run, and this is valid at 4 o'clock, and I think the NAM's running just a touch cool today with the temperatures. Most of us have made it into the upper 70s and low 80s today, and with those scattered showers moving in here, I wouldn't be surprised if you get knocked down with the temperatures. I think just with the fact that the convection is so scattered today, it's having a hard time in picking up where that actually is in relation to the time period. So we'll keep a close eye. I think temperatures, like I said, most of us have made it up into the upper 70s, low and mid 80s this afternoon. But if a shower or thunderstorm comes over you, you'll definitely feel the cooler air move on top of you as you head through the morning time hours. Here's 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Temperatures hovering in the mid and upper 60s, close to 70 for some of us. With the moisture that we have in the air, definitely going to be fairly muggy to start off the morning time. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog, along with some of the leftover showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours. And here we are at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s. Same type of scenario that we had yesterday, well today rather, across eastern North Carolina, and also scattered rain chances still in the forecast. Going to Tuesday morning will be still fairly warm temperatures, mid upper 60s, low 70s. Same type of scenario. And here's Tuesday evening, and we start to get a little bit warmer as that ridge starts to build in here through Tuesday afternoon. But look over towards the mountains. Look what they got. They got temperatures in the 60s in the higher peaks. Wouldn't it be nice to be up in around Mount Mitchell today for next Tuesday? But across here we'll be in the low mid 80s. All right, here we are on the reflectivity, the composite reflectivity on the 4-kilometer NAM, and I think it's picking up on the convection fairly well this afternoon, and you can kind of see the progression of how this will be moving through. It'll kind of blow up through the afternoon, and then as the daytime heating starts to come down, the coverage will go down as well. We've got a good batch of showers and thunderstorms down towards Fayetteville and down along the I-95 corridor down towards Benson and Dunn. Some of that's starting to rotate in here. You kind of see the counterclockwise rotation around that upper low here, and you can kind of point it out here over the central Piedmont. This is Monday morning at 5 o'clock. Then we'll transition once again, still with scattered showers and thunderstorms, and it won't rain all day. And that's, as we've said the past several days, it was not going to rain all day. You'll see peaks of sunshine definitely, but I think Monday we'll have to trend maybe a little bit closer to 40 to 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours. And you see Monday afternoon, as that upper low starts to eject out of the area, that's going to get most of the showers and thunderstorms off the coast. And we'll keep a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours of Tuesday as well. Onto the 12Z GFS output, and here's valid for 2 o'clock this afternoon. And see the upper low just kind of rotating around, the northwestern portion of the state over into western Virginia and West Virginia this afternoon. And see the ridge back off to the west. That's going to start to build in here as we head through your day on Wednesday especially. We'll start to get that nosing in here as we head towards Tuesday afternoon. A little piece of energy still hanging around for Monday. That's part of that upper level disturbance. It's not really a closed low anymore. It's just kind of just a disturbance on top of us. So that's going to keep enhancing the showers and thunderstorm potential as we head towards Monday. Also for Tuesday, once again, a little notch in the short wave there in the flow. That's going to allow for that uplift, and we'll see more showers and thunderstorms. We'll go to Wednesday, and I think at this point, with the ridge on top of us, we'll see more diurnally driven showers and thunderstorms. These will be, more so afternoon pulse type thunderstorms, but they're going to be on the low end, if anything, because the high pressure will be on top of us. So more than likely, we'll see some subsidence this day. It could allow for a fairly sunny day for us across eastern North Carolina. Here's Thursday afternoon, and the GFS is sped up and got a little bit more in line with the European model with this next cold front. So I think we'll bring up the timing of this cold front to more so Friday night into Friday morning, Thursday night into Friday morning. With that cold front sweeping through here. You see the trough back off to the west, but here's the actual cold front, the forcing with the cold front that's going to be moving through here late on Thursday. And with this setup, I wouldn't be surprised to see some strong storms, but not expecting a whole lot. A little cooler piece of energy, that's the actual upper level front that's going to be pushing through here, and we'll keep a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms for Friday as well as that front pushes off the coast. And I think we'll get a few notches in degrees downward for Friday, if that's correct. And you see massive ridge builds in here to the central plains and the high plains through Friday afternoon. Temperatures likely be up in the 80s and 90s, close to 100 for some of those folks up and through there. Go to Saturday, and trough now off the coast. We start to get on the back side of it and starting to get into the ridge, and that's going to bring the temperatures up a little bit. Yesterday we had 80 for Saturday with chances of showers and thunderstorms. With this setup now, as the GFS a little bit more progressive with the trough, we'll probably bump that up and close it in closer to probably 83 or so, 84 degrees. And then here's Sunday, more fast zonal flow at this point before the ridge kind of breaks down a little bit, but the ridge still over the central plains, and you can kind of see the storm track at this point. It would be just a touch north of North Carolina. And on to the surface output. Once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms for today. Highs upper 70s, low and mid 80s for some. Go to tomorrow, same type of scenario, low mid 80s, some upper 70s scattered about in the areas that see a little bit more rainfall, but we'll keep it on the scattered variety. You see the Bermuda High off to the east of us. That's kind of been helping enhance some of this over the past several days. Go to Tuesday, and I think the rain chances start to come down on Tuesday, but we'll keep scattered chances for rain about a 30% clip. Low and mid 80s for that day with the warm temperatures, the warm thicknesses that we'll have on top of us. Here's Wednesday, and like I said, that's probably going to be the banner day, as we're going to be in between systems at that point. We'll probably call a sea breeze shower or thunderstorm on Wednesday with temperatures in the mid 80s. Here's Thursday and that cold front pushing through the area. And if that's correct, we may have to bump up even earlier than that. We might have to talk about showers and thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. In that case, we'll definitely be watching that one for the potential for some heavier downpours and some possible severe weather. But I don't think it's going to be a big time issue. Friday, maybe a sea breeze shower or thunderstorm left over from the trough moving through. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy that day. Saturday moves on through here, looks nice and dry. And we move on to Sunday, nice and dry, high on top of us that afternoon on the surface side, and also with that little bit of a ridge trying to build in here. And then Monday of next week, staying dry, and like I said, the storm track staying to the... That'll do it for me this afternoon. I'll be on tonight at 6 as well as 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock back on the WNCT. You can always get the latest information on WNCT.com as well as Facebook and Twitter. Have a great afternoon, and stay dry out there.